Good morning, students. In Unit 1, finite difference, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about definition and formula of numerical differentiation, problems based on numerical differentiation by using Newton forward difference formula. Differentiation by using Newton forward. Numerical differentiation is the process of computing the value of the derivative of an explicitly unknown function with a given discrete set of points x comma y. To differentiate a function numerically, we first determine an interpolating polynomial and then compute the approximate derivative at the given point. At the point x is equal to x0, dy by dx, that is a first derivative, is equal to 1 by h into delta y naught minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 delta power 4 y naught plus and so on. And the second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by h square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta power 4 y naught. And the third derivative d cube y divided by dx cube is equal to 1 by h cube delta cube y naught minus 3 by 2 delta power 4 y naught plus 7 by 4 delta power 5 y naught plus and so on. Given this is a problem, given a cubic polynomial with the following data points, where x here x value is a 0 1 2 3, f of x is equal to 5 6 3 8. They are asking to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x is equal to 0. Derivative has to be evaluated near the starting of the table, thereby constructing forward difference table for the function y is equal to f of x. Already we find out the forward difference table in the previous video lecture. That is a del value has been calculated by del 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, 3 minus 6 is a minus 3, 8 minus 3 is a 5. And the delta square values are calculated from minus 3 minus 1 is a minus 4, 5 minus half minus plus 3 is a 8. And delta cube y naught is a 8 minus half minus plus 4 is equal to 12. And we know the formula for derivative. The first derivative is a dy by dx 1 by h delta y naught. Delta y naught we will consider the first value 1 minus delta square y naught divided by 2. Here delta square y naught is a minus 4 plus delta cube y naught divided by 3. Here delta cube y naught value is a 12 and the delta power 4 is a 0. Substituting these values in the above equation, we will get dy by dx is equal to 1 by h is a 1 by 1, 1 minus of minus plus 4 divided by 2 plus 12 by 3 plus 0 is equal to 7. And the second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by h square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta power 4 y naught. Here delta square y naught is a minus 4 and delta cube y naught is a 12. So minus 4 minus 12 and the delta power 4 y naught value is a 0. So we are getting minus 16. Therefore, the first derivative value is a 7 and the second derivative value is a minus 16. This is a procedure to find the derivative. Here first we will write the Newton's forward interpolation formula and then we are finding the polynomial y is equal to f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 8x square plus 7x plus 5. That is a dy by, from this one we can find the dy by dx. 2x cube is a 6x square minus 8x square is a 16x plus 7x becomes a 7 and plus 5 becomes a 0. So dy by dx at x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, I will get only 7. And also the second derivative, d square y by dx square 12x minus 16 is a, if I put x is equal to 0, I am getting 16. So the previous method is also, we are getting the same answer. Problem number 2, given a polynomial with the following data points, x is equal to 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and so on. They are asking to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x is equal to 1.1 and 1.5. First, we will find the difference table. So this is x value, this is a y value, this is the first difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference, fifth difference, and sixth difference. Because here, sixth difference only, we are getting only one value in that column. So we have to find till sixth difference. To find the derivative at x is equal to 1.1, it means we are going to take x naught is equal to 1.1 and applying the relation. So here the same formula, dy by dx is a 1 by h del y naught minus delta square y naught plus delta cube y naught minus delta power 4 y naught divided by 4 plus delta 5 y naught. Here delta y naught value will be taken from the second value because we are going to find the derivative at x.1. X is equal to 1.1. So x is equal to 1.1 is the second value of x. So we will consider the delta square y naught is a 0.378. And similarly, minus 0.03 and delta cube y naught is a 0.044 and the delta power 4 y naught is a minus 0.01 and the delta power y naught is a 0.003. So substituting all these values, I will get dy by dx at x is equal to 1.1 is a 1 by h, and substituting all this value, I am getting 3.952. And the second derivative, d square y by dx square at x is equal to x naught is equal to 1 by x square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 delta power 5 y naught plus and so on. We know the value, delta square y naught value is a minus 0.03 and delta cube y naught value is a minus 0 plus 0.004 and delta power 4 y naught value is a minus 0.001 and the delta power 5 y naught is a 0.003. After substituting all these values, I am getting the d square y by dx square is equal to minus 3.74. So therefore, in the problem, the first derivative dy by dx is a 3.952 and the second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to minus 3.74. So problems to be practiced. Find the value of the first and second derivative from the given table given below. X values are 6, 7, 9, 12 and f of x values are 1.556, 1.690, 1.908 and 2.158. And the second problem, x value is a 60, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120 and the f of x values are 28.2, 38.2, 43.2, 40.9 and 37.7. So we can find the first derivative and the second derivative like previous problems. Thank you.